Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. We're excited to be partnering with Decor on today's video. I personally love to inspire and empower people through room makeovers. I truly feel that you'll feel a lot better when your room is clean. So I hope this video inspires you guys and we can just jump right into it. All right, so I figure it makes most sense to start with this side of the room. If you guys remember, I originally had this dresser over there and I think I'm gonna move it back just because it makes more sense with the flow of the room, as well as I will be adding in a TV. And then the mirror, I love it. I'm gonna find another place for it because I am going to put a chair in that corner. So again, I think this is the side of the room that we're gonna start with first. All right, so I moved the dresser over here. I think it looks so much better. I added in my new little velvet chair here into the corner. I just wanted some pop of color in here. I felt like it was very like sterile. I do love the all white, but I needed some sort of just hint of color. The color of the chair itself is very like 70s, and that's originally what drew me to it. I don't know why, but lately I've been really into like 70s decor. So I loved the coloring on this. The velvet is super soft too. So that is right next to the dresser that I already had. And then over here, I just have this like marble box like planter. My friend Paige actually found this for me and we were looking online. It's a vintage piece and they actually retail for a lot of money, so that was super cool that she was able to find that and gave it to me. And in it, I just put my favorite little faux plant from Amazon. And of course, everything over here is looking a bit plain, but don't worry. We are going to be adding in some Decor prints. You guys know how much I love them, so a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. All right, so this is everything that I have that they sent over that I'll be using for today's video. Decor has like the best trendy, high quality, very like Scandinavian vibes with their prints and frames. They're also always getting new versions and different prints in. So here's just a little sneak peek of two of them that I'm gonna be using. They also have super awesome like gallery wall inspiration, and they also have like a gallery wall tool that I would highly recommend using. I actually got my inspiration for what I'm putting on this wall from their website. So they also have these awesome like picture ledges that you guys will see. So I'm excited to put all of this together. All right, so as you guys can see here on my phone, I actually pulled this little inspirational piece from the Decor website directly, and then I went in and put the photos that I chose on top of what they had on their website, and that's kind of like how I figured out today's picture ledge gallery wall. I'll also have a coupon down below if you guys want to get 30% off the prints. If you guys are interested in Decor, I would definitely recommend checking them out. I will have them linked in the description box down below. They do ship to countries worldwide, and if you're in the US, you can get it within 5 days, which is really quick. All right, so I'm going to be adding in my first print here into the white frame. One thing that I also love when these come shipped is they have the protective film on both sides, so you don't have to worry about them arriving and being scratched in any way, shape, or form because they're protected on both sides. So you just have to remove the protective film, place that back in, place in my print, and then I always like to put this back in just in case I want to reference it for later. Then I'll place this back. Ahead and add this first little print to the gallery wall. Then you're pretty much just repeating that same process on all of them. So just remove the protective film. I usually find like a little corner of it and then peel it off. And then for this smaller frame, I just chose more of a little graphic print. It says Wanderlust on it. I thought it was super cute. And then I went with a light wood frame just to have a ton of different like contrast with the different woods, and then the black with all the different color. I thought it really just gave everything a nice little pop. So that one is done. All right, the first picture ledge is up, and I kind of switched up the design a little bit and I think it looks amazing. So we still have this to add, This is like my favorite print out of all the ones I got, I think. I immediately fell in love with that one. This one is great just to add a pop of color. It also matches really nicely with the chair. Then this last one was actually supposed to go on a third picture ledge at the top there, but I think I'm gonna put this next to my bed and layer it with like some candles or a reed diffuser instead. All right, the gallery picture ledge wall is completed. I think it looks so good. I opted to just use the 2 shelves like I mentioned, and then I will be using the other photo on my nightstand. So if you guys remember, there was a mirror here. Went ahead and moved it over here, and it just brightens up the room so much. And then down here, I have my little Modernica pot that I use all the time. And then just for the time being, I put this little World Market faux plant in it. But I do have a dragon tree coming. It just hasn't got here yet in the mail. So that is what will replace that. And then I did get some new bedding sent over from Parachute Home. I love their stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the wash while I go ahead and start putting together my nightstand that I got. Did finish assembling my nightstand, and this is what it looks like. It's from West Elm. So it matches the reclaimed wood on my bed. However, it is from a different collection. I'll link my bed down below. I always get so many questions about it. This was super easy to assemble. It's a little bit more modern than the collection my bed is from, but I think it still looks cute in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and style it, and then we will put all of the brand new sheets on to my bed. As I mentioned earlier, I decided to keep this Decennio print to put next to my bed because I thought it matched really nicely with the lamp that I already have. This lamp is from Target. I absolutely love it. To me, it looks really expensive, and it definitely doesn't look like it's from Target. Unfortunately, I don't think they have these anymore because I did want to pick up another one. So originally I was going to do like 2 nightstands, and then I was gonna do 2 of these lamps. But since it was sold out, I decided not to go with 2 nightstands, and I'm really happy that I did. And then lastly, I'm just gonna use this reed diffuser that I already have. I randomly had this in like a pile of stuff, so I was like, let's see what this would look like. I wonder what it smells like, honestly. All right, then I'm adding in this little oil diffuser, and to be completely honest, because I'm always honest with you guys, I'm not a fan of the scent. It smells like really, really strong perfume, and that's not really the type of scent that I like in my bedroom, but I do like how simple and minimal the little diffuser is, so I'm just gonna set that there for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and make like my own scent to go in here. And then lastly, I almost forgot that this is one of those nightstands that has a little opening at the bottom, so I'm just gonna put in 2 little coffee table books here at the bottom and keep it super simple. All right, I feel like the bedding is absolutely perfect. It just looks like a cloud. I love white linen sheets, and Parachute Home is just like one of my favorites, so I'm super happy that I have that now. I was originally also gonna get a 3rd one of these shams, but I was just a little worried it might cover up the headboard too much. But now that I look at it, I think I might wanna get 1 more and just have 3 across the front there, but that is the finished little bed area. So over here, I did go ahead and put my TV. I'm not gonna mount it on the wall because, spoiler alert, I'm gonna be looking at places to buy soon. So there's no point for me to add additional holes onto this wall and really try and mount it when hopefully I'll be able to move soon. But I did go ahead and add my little selenite tower. This is from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. It is a lamp, so it looks really pretty, and I just love like the mood it gives the room at night. Also, it's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing from the typical like pink salt lamp. I just prefer this one a little bit better. And then over here, I have my little Anthropologie candle that smells so good. I haven't even lit it yet, so that will be the first thing that I do. And then this is a little plant from Bloomscape. It's actually real. So I'm just waiting for my other Bloomscape plants to come in. Perfect right here because there is some sunlight coming in from the window. And then again, you guys know that the chair is in this corner as I showed earlier. And then of course, my little Decennio gallery wall that I absolutely love the way this turned out. So definitely don't forget to check out Decennio. It will be linked down below. So this is what the completed room looks like. I definitely love the new placement of the furniture. as well as adding in a little bit of color. You guys know me, I don't usually decorate with color, but it's fun every once in a while. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Decor linked down below. I'll also have everything from today's video linked down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!